Welcome to online classes. Before explaining from the page number 19, I'll refer some sentences as a reference and continuation. The next day, there was a long line of anxious parents and children outside the palace. Everyone was eager to get a seed and grow the best plant. Pingla, a poor farmer's son, was among those children. Like the king, he too was fond of gardening and grew beautiful plants in his backyard. He took the seed from the king and planted it in a pot with great care. Some weeks passed and he piled it with water and manure, but the plant did not appear. Pingla tried changing the soil and transferred the seed to another pot, but even by the end of 3 months, nothing appeared. At last, the day came when all the children had to go to the king to show the plant they had grown. Now, from the book, I will explain. They started walking to the palace, dressed in their best, holding beautiful plants in their hands. At last, the exhibition day came. All the children were walking gradually to the palace and wearing their best dresses. Everyone was holding their pot with a beautiful plant. Explanation 2. On the exhibition day, all the children were moving slowly to the palace, having the best dresses. All the children were carrying their pot with a lovely plant. Explanation 3. On the final day, the children assembled there and they were going to the palace. They wore their best dresses. Everyone was carrying the pot with beautiful plant. Now from the book. Only Pingla stood sadly watching them go by. Pingla's father had watched his son working hard with the seed and felt sorry for him. On the exhibition day, all the children were walking to the palace, but only Pingla stood sadly and he did not walk toward the palace. Pingla's father had observed his son working very hard with the seed, but he was unable to produce the plant. He felt sorry for him. Explanation 2. After completion of 3 months, on the final day, all the children assembled outside the palace and moved to the palace gradually. They were carrying their pot having the lovely plant. Only one child was outside the palace. He was Pingla. He stood unhappily. He was watching that all the children going to the palace. Pingla's father had noticed his son working hard with the seed and felt sorry for him. Explanation 3. On the exhibition day, all the children assembled outside the palace with their pot having nice plant and they wore best dresses. They were walking to the palace, but only Pingla was outside the palace carrying a empty pot. he stood cheerlessly. Pingla's father had recognized that his son was working hard to grow the plant from the seed, and he felt sad for him. Now, from the book, why do not you go to the king with the empty pot? He suggested. At least he will know you tried your best. Pingla's father suggested him he should go to palace with empty pot, and also told that the king might know that he tried the best. Explanation 2. Pingla's father commanded him to go to the palace with his empty pot, and he should clarify to king that he tried his best to grow the plant. Explanation 3. Pingla's father advised him that he should walk into palace with his empty pot, and suggested that he should explain to king that he had done the best to grow the plant, but he was unable to produce plant in the 3 months. Explanation in the third lecture, it is over.